Welcome to another 8482 tutorial. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to add images to your TikTok videos. So, for example, let me zoom out on the timeline here. I've uploaded 15 TikTok videos that I'm working on. And for the sake of this video, we're going to just take the last one here, and I'm going to move this to the side. Now, what are we looking at? All right. What you can see up top is custom generated subtitles. Okay, now you may or may not be including those within your video. I'll link a card showing a video on how to create custom generated titles if you would like to subtitle your video. Then what I have here are two black boxes. Okay, these black boxes. TikTok's shown to not really make a difference whether you're full screen or if you're working from a box. So we like to put subtitles in the top. The lower space is really kind of blocked out on TikTok as their recent UI rolled out. So we leave that open as well. And what we have is an edited but very plain TikTok video. And so what we want to do is simply add images. So we're in Premiere Pro, want to make sure that we have some blank layers open, and we're just going to go ahead and listen for every single word that we could visualize. All right. All right, so he says when a woman gives birth and has a child. All right, so I'm just going to simply pull up Google and search for mother, and I'm looking for images. Okay, there's a few different types of images that you can use, and they're going to be PNG, JPEGs, etc. A lot of images that you rip from Google will either not be high enough quality or they'll be in the wrong format. Now, once the image loads, we can right-click, select Save As, and we want to check that the file type here is either a JPEG, PNG, or something that Premiere Pro is going to recognize. Oftentimes it will be WebM files or online files or PDFs, and we will not be able to import those directly into Premiere Pro. All right, so once we've found that, we're going to go ahead and select the folder that we want to save it to. If you don't know how to do that, I've recorded a separate tutorial that you can check out called being able to download your files from Google Chrome in a specific folder. And we're just going to save this. Now there's a nice preview. It will come down, and I'm going to simply drag and drop that into Premiere Pro. So you guys can see there's the image, and the reason that I have these two black bars, see without them, I can hide them. The reason that I have them is so that when I scale this to the frame size and increase the size of it, the black bars will cut everything off, so they're the same exact size. All the images will have these lines instead of being all over the place. All right, so that's how you basically add an image. And then I'm going to be listening for the first part when he says woman, so it's going to be very quick. The thing with TikTok is we want it to be very quick. All right, I'm going to leave it there. It's probably under a second. And we're going to go ahead and repeat that process. So I can be looking for some other images. Let's go ahead and see. We want to right click, save image, and see how this is a WebP file. It's not going to save correctly, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel and just browse for other images. Mom and her boy, that's nice. All right, that's a JPEG, so I'm going to go ahead and save that, and then I can simply drag it straight into Premiere under the black videos, scale it to frame size by right clicking, and then we can go ahead and change the size. All right, let's look for a couple more. It's a nice photo. Save image as JPEG. All right, and you would repeat this process for your entire video whenever you would want to add an image, making sure the timing lines up. And as you progress, you could add transitions between images, You could add, different zooms, all kinds of different things that we cover here. So make sure to check out some of the other content if you're looking for the specifics. But that's how we're going to add images to all of our videos on TikTok. You can add royalty-free images if you would like to from, unsplash.com, for example, but TikTok won't flag you for using Google Images, so feel free to do that. All right, comment your questions below, and thanks for watching a tutorial.